Hey, I'm Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply, where we provide everything you need for screen printing, including supplies, equipment, and advice. Let me show you around a little. Here we have everything you need to get started. We have squeegees, we have platens, we have scoop coaters, we have some water-based inks, we have emulsions, and a wide variety of plastisol inks as well. And we have all of the chemistry that you'll need for screen printing. And here are some prints that we've done recently. We have a cool shop tee we've been working on. You'll see that as well. We provide a number of services at NorCal Screen Print Supply, including color separations, film output, artwork touch-up, graphic vectorization, and pre-burn screens as well. We're set up with some wide format inkjet printers. We can do film output up to 17 inches wide. As I stated, we can do color separations as well. We can help you with any part of the process that you need. We also carry Riley Hopkins screen printing presses. This is a 4-color, 4-station Riley Hopkins with micro registration. We have some sample prints. This is a plastisol print. It's black ink and white ink on a heather gray t-shirt. We also carry a variety of screens in stock. We have starter equipment and we have professional level industrial equipment as well.